Good morning, friends. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 22nd September 2020. In the international market, investor anxiety around the coronavirus pandemic grew as the UK leader is reportedly considering another national lockdown to act as a circuit breaker to stop the spread of the virus. London mayor was also in talks to introduce new restrictions to stem the spread of the coronavirus. With COVID-19 fears all around, Dow Jones plunged 500 points or 1.84 percentage points. Dow Jones is now 9% down from the recent peak on a closing basis, and investors for a while are now taking a risk-off approach and rushing to safety. In such a move, when investors are finding safe havens, yesterday US 10-year benchmark closed 2 basis points down at 0.68 percentage points. In the crude oil market, Libya's National Oil Corporation (NOC) will restart productions from certain fields and are looking at exports of crude oil. Currently, crude oil production in Libya is just 100,000 barrels per day, down from 1.2 million barrels per day at the start of the year, just before the blockade in January. Thus, with the new supply hitting the oil market, crude oil went back to $41.62 per barrel. Our stance on the crude is neutral for now. From a long term, we are positive with a $50 target in 6 months. In the currency market, dollar index is back to 93.55 and run to safety from equities is also helping dollar for a while. As we had been reporting for the last few weeks, 93 to 93.50 range is where the dollar used to be, but it seems it has broken that range for now. A daily close above 93.66 will take the dollar to 93.99 for short term. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is back to 6.79 from 675 lows. Yesterday USD INR or Indian rupee closed at 73.45, and we may see USD INR approaching 73.70 levels pretty soon. From the stance perspective, we are long on dollar with a target of 93.99 with an immediate resistance at 93.66. On the USD CNY, we are more or less neutral, and on the USD INR, we are long with a target of 73.70. In the domestic bond market, Indian bond market is pretty much range bound today with no major movements. All eyes are on set on the upcoming borrowing calendar, and traders will wait and watch for the calendar before taking any actions. Today, scheduled STL auctions will go through. Amid today's auctions, Maharashtra is borrowing 4,000 crore, including 1,000 crore via Green Shoe, which it exercised last time as well. It seems Maharashtra state's borrowing is increasing with every auction. Or do they want to borrow as fast as they can? Our advice is very clear. We want our clients to square off as much as they can and sit out and wait for the borrowing calendar. Do not hurry to take any trading positions in the next 10 days. We at Night Research will be available with today's SDL cutoff ranges by 10:30 a.m. and you can subscribe to us to get those expected cutoff ranges on 9930307466 or research at nightfintech.com.